Guys, welcome back to another video. We got something super special for you, my people. This channel's first freaking giveaway. What are we giving away? A GoPro Hero 9 with the bite mount. This is the camera I use for all the POV stuff I put up that you guys love. It's a basic setup I use, bite mount, GoPro 9. And we've partnered with PROTEKT products to give you a huge goodie bag of all their stuff. That's all the sunscreen and stuff I use. You know how much time I spend in the sun. They have insane products, all reef safe, wellness, you name it, they got it. Been partnered with them for about a year. Veteran founded, veteran owned, veteran backed. They're a great company and they're doing great things. And they've put together an epic giveaway for the channel. So what do you have to do? You have to subscribe first to this YouTube channel, and then you have to go to the PROTEKT Instagram page. We'll put it up here, bing, and follow them. Third thing, and this is important, you have to comment on this YouTube video, Team HEKINBOB. A random winner will be chosen out of the comments to get the GoPro 9 and the PROTEKT goodie bag next Monday when the next video launches. So you have a week, go comment, random winner will be chosen. Stoked to be able to start doing more giveaways for you guys. Give back for all the support that you give us. Hurricane Larry was freaking insane, so enjoy the damn video. We drove up and down the coast. We found the peaks. It was offshore wind. There was tubes. Enjoy the YouTube episode. Guys, welcome back to another freaking episode. You won't believe it. We become storm chasers, hurricanes. Have you heard of them? Counterclockwise, a lot of wind, a lot of storm rain, but they create waves, and that's why we've flown to the homeland, New Jersey, where you may or may not know my mom was born in New Jersey. I have a lot of family in New Jersey. My dad was born in Philadelphia. They're East Coasters. They moved to Hawaii when they were young, both I think they were 17 or 18, started working on the cruise ships there. That's how they met. Fast forward 25 years. We are here on a surf trip, chasing freaking storms. You guys know the deal. Got 3 epoxy boards, 2 short boards, and a 6'2", just in case it's 100 feet. We don't really know what to expect. We heard the hurricane storms are pretty fickle. FCS setup. I'll be riding these fins today. Is the smallest day, I think, so I don't know. We're going to go to air camp. It looks fun for air is out front where we're staying. We're going to ride these fins. Got a short arm, also a full suit, and a long arm spring suit. So, East Coast fans, hello. We'll see you in the freaking water. We're going to get afternoon surfing. Tomorrow is bigger. The next day, Friday's biggest day of all. So we'll see what the storm brings in.
Birds are not real.
Birds are real, baby! I'm riding my 6'2". Yeah. So my 6'2" is also like a short board. Because of the lightness. Oh, that is nice.
Just quick pop in, ready to go.
Love that.
and you cannot stop it. Nah, you cannot stop it.
I had to switch up the flow, show you the way that it go. God is good, but his life is hard. But it gets better when you grind it smart. I'm just really trying to leave a mark. We tired of being who they say we are. That's the baton, we gon' take it far. Always been real, we don't fake it all. Tired of 9 to 5, just make enough to survive. Only living on the weekends. You really thinking that's why I'm alive? Busting out the scenes, time to live my dreams, do the things deep inside of me. This life, it continues with fighting me, but I don't have quitting inside of me. I will not jump in these boxes they throw at me. Talking to God and there's so much he's showing me, shaping me, growing me, taking me sowing seeds. A growing tree, y'all get a load of me. Yeah, don't let them slow on me. I get the bag like a grocery. I'm on my grind like I'm supposed to be, and I do not care if you notice me. Boxes, I cannot fit in the boxes. Stop it, quitting was never an option. Exhausted, this passion is never exhausted. And you cannot stop it, nah, you cannot stop it. This isn't a robbery, hands in the sky if you got a dream. Learn nothing was blocking me. I was the problem, the only one stopping me. I didn't like it, I had to refocus. Now I'm devoted, I know where I'm going. Controlling emotions, I'm owning the moment. In order to get it, see, you gotta want it. This type of flow make a living break. Confessions over these 808s. Don't sleep on the key, better stay away. I mean, for heaven's sake, I'ma be the best. Came from the endless, I ain't with the games, bitch with the chest. Beating on my chest, trying to get my rest. Watch me while I flex. Every win is a blessing, and every L is a lesson. So when I run into rejection, I know it's only redirection. I see the blessings right beside me. The chances of quitting are likely. I do it like I'm in my Nikes. Don't make excuses, they never excite me. Boxes, I cannot fit in the boxes. Stop it, quitting was never an option. Exhausted, this passion is never exhausted. And you cannot stop it, nah, you cannot stop it. Quitting was never an option. And you cannot stop it, nah, you cannot stop it.
Everything?
Dude, that guy's a freaking Dowser. It's called a heart attack. Good for your arteries. I feel like this is the classic New Jersey beach. A couple of families posting up the chairs, get down on the beach, watch some drone.
She's talking to me?
Think these brain cells work?
This reminds me of The Talisman.
What's that?
This book Stephen King wrote. The mom takes the kid to this place in Maine, and he flips into another world.
He slips into another world?
Yeah, he flips into another world. He learns to flip worlds. He flips through realities. It's the craziest book. You'll get it.
Okay.
Take my photograph. No. Zoard, take my photograph. I think this morning was probably insane over here. Over here? With the big, the bigger size. What are you guys doing over here? You guys surfing over there or what? Whoa! Whoa, it's board flu. Is he trying to do that? Yeah, the hell is... What? Smell it.
Frothy.
Oh, that was a sick wave. Kinda.
Session 2. This morning we surfed from probably 7:30 to 11. So we already had a killer session in the books. Hurricane Larry David. Pretty good. We actually scored. We're here at Lido Beach. It was second reefing pretty much. Rolling in from out the back. Into these double ups. Little cornering rights. Like pretty much what we thought. We thought of scoring as a hurricane swell. The footage we watched. And like kind of what we wanted to score as a goal. Today we're getting it. So we're super stoked. New York gave us a warm welcome. The local boys are holding it down in the water. Waves are firing, everyone's stoked. Session 2 now, then, after, session 3 possibly.
Unless session 2 is also 3.
Unless we just grind right on through till dark.
6.5 hours
Be
straight.
prepared for that. You
It's
guys
possible.
can take that information or leave it. That's on you. If you want to use the stick on your arms, like me, do it or don't. It's on you.
So you didn't even tell me. Nate in his stocks tells
tells
me put all his money into one, and then he pulls out. And
I sell when you buy.
Yeah, and I lost a few grand. Thanks, coach.
Tag me in, coach. Okay, I'm out.
Yeah. He's like, yeah, this one. Oh, you're still in that one? Oh, it's not looking good. It's kind of red.
Send me your loss porn. That's what Miller texts me. Send me your loss porn. I just send him my losses. Oh,
Miller
so
chuckles
bad.
in success.
So bad. Look away from me.
He chuckles in
He
success.
chuckles in success.
Oh my god.
He doesn't understand the things you guys speak
pain.
of.
Market's at all-time highs, and these guys just find ways to lose money. It takes serious commitment to lose money like I do on the stocks.
You have to be skilled to lose money the way
I woke up at 3 a.m. a couple times to lose money. It was heavy. I was like, what? The market
Lose
opens
sleep
3
and
a.m.
money?
Hawaii
What a
time.
combo.
I was like, let's go, baby.
It's time to make decisions.
Oh, come out. He's coming out. He's flipping off the beach.
We got him.
Yeah, you haven't washed those in 4 days, huh?
You wash them? Oh, weird. He's like, I just hang dry.
And they're stiff. You gotta shake it. And you're gonna eat here and then
Yeah,
go to Brooklyn?
let's just grab
Yeah, yeah.
a little dinner here, then go, and we'll be
nasty sushi here
We'll just look it up on the
or
map.
pizza?
Don't hit nobody either.
Okay, man.
Thank you.
Love you. Thanks, Global DJs.
Did you say love you too?
I think so. Thank you, love you.
I think she said I love you too.
Yeah, she was all stoked. Okay, where are we going, boys?
All vehicles
To her.
$2. Don't hate nobody.
It's $2?
Yeah,
Don't hit
fuck
nobody.
bitch. Ask her if we
Now
can
you
just
can
sing.
back your ass up. You can go in the
Ask her if we can just sing global DJs for her.
So just grab the thing again and just scan it.
That's just scan it.
Oh, man.
Oh.
The tables have turned.
Now, don't be,
You guys
don't be
take-
putting that fucking
You
easy
guys,
You guys
how
take.
does this? Is this X-ray? What's happening?
You're not getting lucky tonight.
Thanks, lady.
Bye.
Unfortunate.
Good night.